This is called Hydro Grip Gel Tint. I've never tried a gel tint before. 15 shades available, 12-hour hydrating skin tint. Clean, non-comedogenic hydrating skin tint is clinically proven to last up to 12 hours without fading, caking, or settling into fine lines. This first of its kind formula delivers buildable light coverage and a natural dewy finish that looks like you just put it on even at the end of the day. Safe for sensitive, acne-prone skin, fragrance-free, dermatologist tested, clean, vegan, cruelty-free. Okay, let's get right into it. Of course, I got 2 shades because it's better safe than sorry. This retails for $38. I like that it's in a squeeze tube, so you could get your product out easily. Ever since I got these long nails, I've been using my teeth actually. I know. It's not the best. How is everyone's summer going so far? Our summer is already halfway done and I feel like it just started. Let's go feel it. Wait a second. Let's zoom you in. Okay, so it already looks a little light off the bat, but I'm gonna stick to it because I find that once the foundation's set, the color's set too. It feels slightly sticky. Oh yeah, I've never felt a foundation like this before. I need to be patting this on, not sweeping it. Okay. This feels kind of heavy because it's, you know, like that tackiness, it feels weird to me. If you want something with full coverage, like this might not be for you. Hold on, I need to be pulling my hair back. Like, it's so light that it doesn't even look like I have anything on my skin. It brightens a little bit. I'm gonna put a little bit more on. Out of curiosity, I'm gonna do number 7. The one I just tried on, number 6. This is number 7, which is one shade a little darker. Oh, you could tell it's definitely more warm tone. This looks like this is my shade right now, but I'm curious if it will change. Okay, so to my left, number 7. It's been about 5 minutes. I wanted to see how it would set. It's sticky. It does feel like gel. It looks like I just left the gym and I'm glistening. I'm glowing. So I'm gonna do the rest of my makeup as normal and I will be right back. Let's do a close-up. We're done. I feel like I told you, it had that kind of like stickiness, so I think with the powder on top and the blush and the bronzer, I feel like it's gonna stick. We'll see. That's just, I have a good feeling about this. This really is a light to medium coverage. I say I put about a layer and a half because I would, after I did my face, I did dab a little bit more in the center just to see like how buildable it was. But I'd say it's definitely on the lighter end, and like you could clearly still see my skin underneath, which I do like. So for makeup, just for reference, I just mixed these. I just mixed these two colors just on my lid. Eyeliner, the best one. We will, baby. In 5 minutes, I will play. Blush, okay, this NARS Orgasm Edge. It's a nice bright peachy color. I put it over Happy Go Rosy by MAC because I thought this was just a little deeper than I'd like, and I put this on top and it really brightened up my cheeks. Powder is a Givenchy Prism. I think there's different shades. I'm not quite sure which one this is, but it's this one. And then for lips, I have Maybelline Lifted Liners. I have it in shade On It and shade Line Leader. So I did On It in the outer corner and Line Leader on the inside. And then gloss is Maybelline Lifter Gloss in shade Stone. The brows, I've just been back to Anastasia Beverly Hills Perfect Brow Pencil in shade Dark Brown. And then last but not least, the bronzer. Oh, Muru Muru Bronzer by Physicians Formula. I've been liking this, and it really smells so good. It smells like vacation, like a coconut sunscreen or something. It's a great soft bronzer. I've always loved Physicians Formula bronzers. They've always been one of the best drugstores for sure. Even with a high end, like I've tried Gucci. I'd say it's actually comparable to Gucci, to be honest. Like it's creamy, it's blendable. I really like it. Hey, don't open the door, please. You know I did. Close the door. Myself. Okay, we're gonna do a flash test. Hold on, baby. Oh yeah, she looks good. My hair is messy, but foundation passes. You guys tell me, can we even tell a difference between the two shades? Can you tell I have two shades on? Like I'm trying to look at my forehead as a determining. Oh yeah, I kind of see it. Very, very subtle, but it's not like it's not obvious. But this is shade 6, shade 7. It's not obvious, is it? It actually looks quite close. Okay, but we'll see if it changes later in the day. First impression, like right from the bat, I'm just not a huge fan of the feeling on my skin before I put everything on. Like I don't know. It is afternoon actually. Where's my phone? It's 3:12 in the afternoon. So I'm just gonna wear this for the rest of the day. We're gonna go in the natural light. Wow, it actually looks nice. Oh, it's 7:30. I'm at Costco with my cousin. Hey! Hi. It looks the same as earlier, so. The sweating and the blush, the makeup still looks good. This is a gel foundation.
That's really pretty actually.
Okay, Milk, I see you. It is 10:50. I went outside. It was hot today, maybe in the 80s. This is sweating around Costco. Every time I looked in the mirror, first thing I noticed was my blush was still on. And sometimes my blush kind of like fades throughout the day. I'm reading some of the claims on here. It says it has blue agave extract, which helps grip makeup to prevent fading and creasing. Yes, okay, thanks agave. Niacinamide and squalene adds moisture to skin and makes it look smoother. You think it looks smoother? Aloe water and hemp seed oil delivered an added an added dose of moisture. I'm tired. I think this might be my new summer foundation. I said that about the last foundation. I cannot in person tell a difference between the two shades. I think, or should I just keep both? Because if they look the same, or maybe I should just mix them, because why not? But it's kind of funny. I can't tell the difference. 2 thumbs up. $38 I think is actually not too bad for a higher end makeup brand. This is like, I'd say in between the high-end makeup and the drugstore. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and let me know if there's anything else you'd want me to try. I'll see you next time. Bye.
I'm just gonna take below the door.
No.
Okay, what's girls? Let me